This is Crystal, Rain Dance Ranch. Today we're at the former Desert Rose, now the Horny Toad in Glendale. And this is looking really good. I'm so glad that this turned out really awesome. So it was pretty dry. I still haven't really communicated clearly about when things need to get watered, or I don't even know if they're getting watered. But they look good. Everything looks good. So I went ahead and watered right here. When I first got here, I ran into the waitress and she's like, "Coffee?" I'm like, "Yes." So while I was waiting for my coffee, I started watering. And so these are unwatered. These look like they're going to need to definitely be getting more water. So that's a little disappointing. So this is what it's looking like. I've got my work cut out for me, filling in all these areas with the candelilla. The aloe's looking really nice right there. Strike gear's not good. So that's not bad. We've got one of the succulents is not looking good. And then we got palm trees not looking too good. Everything else looks great. Gotta love that. Alright, so I'm gonna see how fast I can get this watered and trim off some dead leaves before customers start coming in, and then I'm going to start working on the roses. So look for part 2 of me working on the roses at the former Desert Rose, now Horny Toad, Glendale, Arizona. Have a great day. When it rains, go out and dance.